Did you know moving your body is a medicine? According to yoga, it allows for detoxification by flushing all the organs in your body. It improves the respiration and strengthens muscles and lubricate your joints. Breathing and moving in yoga can help to balance hormones and remove waste stagnating in your intestine. All of these lead to healthier and a glowing skin. For a glowing skin, you need not to do so much complicated asanas. Just do these 5 asanas and see the glow in your skin. Tadasana, the mountain pose. Keep your legs together, your hands are in Namaskar Mudra. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Focus to your deep breathing. This controlled breathing helps the body to release harmful toxins and keep the skin healthy and glowing. Ustrasana, the camel pose. In Ustrasana, it provides an intensive curve, intensive back bend that opens your rib cage, improves lung capacity and oxygen intake. It improves the blood supply to your facial muscles and gives you a glowing skin. Third asana is Cobra pose. As many of us have experienced, stress is one of the worst offenses for skin owls. Cobra pose helps to reduce tension, stress, and fatigue by opening your lungs and increasing your lung capacity. By regular practicing this pose, you can control your cortisol hormone, the stress hormone level, and reduce your oxidative stress, which helps to minimize the signs of aging. Number 4, Trikonasana, one of the best asanas for glowing skin. It opens up your lungs, chest, and heart. It supplies more oxygen to the skin, and so skin feels more refreshed and rejuvenated. Last and a very interesting asana is Simhasana, the lion pose. Simhasana is a very powerful asana which stimulates blood supply and oxygen supply to the face. It strengthens your facial muscles and prevents it from sagging. First, sit on Vajrasana. Then keep your knees a little apart. Then bend forward and keep your hands in front of you. Your fingers should be faced towards your body. Your eyes should be focused to the middle of your eyebrows. Take a deep breath and make a sound like with opening your mouth as a lion is roaring. The best time to practice this asana is in the morning. You just need only 15 to 20 minutes. So practice these simple asanas and see the glow in your skin. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell down below so you will not miss any of my newest videos. Thank you for watching.